Daga jingkiu ki biyo COVID-19 haga Jylla ka sarkar lingba katrat ka koi ka khia kala shim khia shu bante la kam ka jingpor niu khyang jingpang obashir khei umentri katrat ka koi ka khia jong ka Jylla ba el hai khabai kran biglab thai khobor hene ka shiphotarik unai lur a ja arpo ulai thu ba katrat ka koi ka khia kala penkiu ka jingdon ki Jaka shong slong lani ki quarantine center lembar ki Jaka le test covid ha ka Jylla yakini ki Jaka test labu Shillong Civil Hospital Nazareth Hospital ba Robert Hospital nalor ki wei de ki bladan lupa daga jingbon ki Jaka test minta ka Jylla kan yoru banle bontli ki test bar ki report ru ki num slam shu pentep uba hek Koman chupan kan mau ka sarkar Jylla hakini ki khindiat sngi kala don ki Jaka test tang hanigrams Civil Hospital tura bat Pasteur Institute bar kumta ka jing test ru ka suki lembar ka jingyo yak report.
Now after seeing the spike, we are very much concerned. Now we have already taken the decision to increase even the quarantine center and also the testing labs. Now from the PM's care funds, already we have got the RT-PCR. We are going to be installed in Shillong Civil Hospital. And also we have got another RT-PCR kits. We have already handed over to Nazareth Hospital. So already before we have already handed over to the Robert Hospital also. So we have been increasing tremendously. Okay, to combating this COVID-19 situation in the state of Meghalaya. So now we have a good numbers of the testing laboratory and also those under process also they are there like Civil Hospital. The Nazareth Hospital, already the kits has already arrived, RT-PCR kit already handed over to the Civil Hospital and also to the Nazareth Hospital. This is under the installation now. The moment they are so ready, then we can do as much as many testing in the state of Meghalaya.
Hakabe day baka random sampling and nigga jingshim nanguna na pine ki paiba or ba hek ulai thu baka jingle ek random test kan lo hai ki Jaka ki babon ki biyo positive.
The random testing we have been doing, but we are doing only in a very cluster area where we detected the positive cases. We are not doing random testing everywhere. So that random testing we are taking only where the positive cases been reported and detected. Yeah. So no plan to make it everywhere. We have that's there in the mind, but until unless by looking the day-to-day situation only, decision can be taken.
Hakabe day baka jingte ka plasma bank uba hek ulapin tip baka nigrams kaladon hakalenti ban pendep no ya ka jingte.